Hi, my name is Sergey Proknevsky. I live in Charlotte, North Carolina. I'm a father, a husband, and a motion graphics designer. If you watch Fox Sports in the last 3 years, then you probably have seen a lot of my work. I made stuff like this.
So tell me a little bit about your channel and the passion that you have to teach others. Where did that come from?
I love helping people more than I love creating cool stuff. That's why I started a YouTube channel. I make YouTube tutorials that help designers simplify their workflow in Adobe After Effects. Because let's face it, nobody wants to waste time.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Nothing is more satisfying to me than getting emails and comments like these. That's what keeps me going. Helping people gives me true joy. I never thought my tutorials would get over 3 million views on YouTube. It opened doors to some incredible opportunities that I never dreamed of. My work has been featured on Adobe, No Film School, Lester Banks, and others. A few months ago, I made a big decision to walk away from an amazing job at Fox Sports as a senior motion graphics designer to pursue a dream of starting my own company with my twin brother. Speaking of my twin brother, this is my twin brother Vladimir. Apparently we look so much alike that even Facebook can't tell us apart. Vlad is also a father, a husband, and a web designer. Together we founded ukramedia.com, an online motion graphics website where quick tips and tricks in Adobe After Effects can be found. Vladimir and I are very close. We shared a womb, a room, and a very complicated last name.
Proknevsky and
good.
Keith Burney. Dang it, I said when we're on camera, I'm not going to be able to say it. I promise it's spelled much more difficultly than it sounds.
Even Siri can't pronounce it.
Calling Sergey Proknevsky.
No one in this country can ever pronounce my name right. Hey, it's not that hard.
We come from a family of 9 children. In 2000, we moved to the United States as refugees with nothing but a dream and a hope of a better life.
Now, Sergey and Vladimir both tell me they wouldn't have been able to get to this point without the help and support of the Kingsport community.
You know, Mike, I remember the twins because I was covering sports then. They were really dominant in high school.
Vlad and I always pushed each other. We also copy each other a lot. Sometimes it's not even intentional.
Yeah, I'm out. Sorry, dude. We're wearing the same stuff, man.
Serious, man? I'll get the Coke. Ukramedia evolved to something bigger than just us and a YouTube channel. It became an online community for thousands of motion graphics designers. It's now a big family and it only continues to grow every single day. Join our big family at ukramedia.com/community and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you there.